Alright, here it is. Here's the fan heatsink. I have not opened this package yet. You're going to see this live on the air. Make sure it's in frame. There it is here. So you get a little thermal paste with that as well. Here's the wiring. I'm going to stand up a little bit so I can see. There's the brand new in the box. Here, there's some little lettering in here. Let's see what that makes. You want to just pause and freeze that? Oh, it's a Delta fan. There you go. Anyway, here's what you get, and it has that box. Oh, there's some foam in here. I'm not sure why this would be needed. Some little cuts on there. This box had this in there. I'm sure they all do. Is that a sticker? You get a little sticker too. Yep. A little sticker in there. The videos that I've seen, some people will just put a little tiny dot in the middle for their CPU, and I've seen others that have like this little kind of plastic knife spatula where they just kind of coat the piece. Anyway, well, here you go. All right.